Hello everyone, this is Dushyant and welcome to Backstage with Coders. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are starting our Python journey and this series will cover everything from basics to advanced scripting. So let's buckle up and start with the installation first. All you have to do is open your favorite internet browser. I like to use Google Chrome, but you can use your own like Mozilla, and type in the search bar Anaconda. So as you can see here, the first site is the official website of Anaconda, and you can click on it and you'll be on the home page of Anaconda site. So you might have the question of why Anaconda, because Anaconda is a distribution of Python and R programming language which just makes our life easier. So it has built-in package management and deployment services. We can also create different environment for many different versions of Python and packages. You can see a download button here. This is for Windows, but you have options to download it for Mac as well as Linux as well. So if you click on this download button, it will get started. I already had it downloaded for my system, so I will just cancel it. But it will take around 2 minutes for the download to take place. So after that, what we have to do here is go to downloads or wherever your downloaded software is. Just click on this executable file and then this installation screen will pop up. Just click on next and I agree. Go with the default setting and I will choose my path. You can choose wherever you want to install the software. So I'll go to this PC then. So path is selected. Now you have to click next and go with default setting again. So click on install. It will take some time. As you can see here, all the packages are getting installed, so it will take some time. As you guys can see that Anaconda is successfully installed, so you can just click on next now and next again and finish. So Anaconda installation is completed, and to cross check that you can just go to the search bar here and type Anaconda. You can see that Anaconda prompt as well as navigator is here, so you can click on prompt and this is like the command prompt for Anaconda. You can type Jupyter Notebook and enter. So this will open Jupyter Notebook for you. As you can see, Jupyter Notebook is open and you can create your IPYNB file here after that. So this is all for this video. If you are facing any difficulty in the installation of Anaconda, please post it in the comment section, and that's it. Thank you.